it clearly says my name, and it's matching around 50-60%. And hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to install OpenCV on your Windows laptop. We actually not installing this OpenCV on Windows operating system, but we are installing it on Debian 13. But this Debian 13 is actually installed on OpenCV using VMware Workstation, and we already have this video on our channel to how to install this Debian on your Windows 11 laptop. So you can check that video before proceeding to install Debian on Windows system. So today we are installing this OpenCV and learn how to use it to detect the persons in a frame with their name also. So before starting, what is OpenCV? OpenCV stand for Open Computer Vision. What is computer vision? Like it is a models or it is a programs which can learn and detect the person's frame or any objects you showing in your camera. So in this video we doing this by in 3 steps. First one, we are installing OpenCV. Second one, we are checking if it is detecting a face on your frame, and third one is your detecting the person with their name. So let's head into your laptop and check how to install it. Let's head to your laptop and power on your Debian system. For that we are using VMware Workstation. Now you can see we already created this Debian operating system here. Just power this virtual machine on. It take 1 minute to boot up when you already install this on your VMware or your laptop. You can see it is booting up. You have to wait for a minute to boot it up. And for this tutorial I have already made all the commands and programs and put in my Word file. We are just copying and pasting that file into your terminal, and you can find these files in description too. You can see this Debian 13 is booting up. Okay, and we are booting our Debian 13 system. We just have to log in this system. Okay, now we are in a desktop now. This Debian 13 desktop. For capturing photos or this streaming the photos, we need a camera to work with this OpenCV. So as already we are using our Windows laptop, so we have webcam already on our laptop. We can use this webcam here. So we have to check either our camera is working with Debian or not. We just check using this app, camera app, inbuilt camera app in your Debian system. Let's see. Okay, it's saying it is not found. So we have to attach this camera to your Debian system. For that we have to go to this VMware, then check the second option, removable devices. On that you can find your camera here. Here is my camera, is user facing. Just we have to connect it. Okay, click on OK. Just let's see if your camera is attached or not, and click this camera app. Good, our camera is working now. Now we can move forward. Just close this app, open a terminal. You can see terminal is here, and for installing all these packages we need root access. For that you have to put su space hyphen and hit enter. It asking for the root user password. Just put your root user password, and you can see you are in now root directory of this Debian 13. Now we just copy and paste command from this file here. First is we have to update our system. For this we have to put this command sudo apt update, sudo apt upgrade, and just hit enter. Now you can see it's working on that one, and checking if there is any software update is available, and you can see there is no update, so it's showing 0 updates. Now we have to install OpenCV in Python environment. For that one, we have to just copy this command and paste in your terminal. Just paste and hit enter, and you can see it's need 613 MB space. We just click yes, and we have available space of 22.9 GB. Just hit enter, and you can see it is downloading now, and you can see the progress here. Good, download is completed. It is now installing on your system, and you can see the progress here. It takes around 1 minute depending on your internet speed and your system hardware too. Just we will wait for 1 minute and see if this is installing correctly or not. And you can see it is around 44% now. Good. Now we have installed this in 100% now. Now we are going to install another C++ dependency. You can see here. You can just copy this command and paste in your terminal and just hit enter. Sorry, just hit enter. Okay, it takes 176 MB. Just press Y and hit enter, and you can see it is downloading now. It is download completed. Now it is installing. It takes another minute to install these libraries. Good, your installation is complete now. Now we have to check any update for these dependencies. So we are going to check. So copy this command and paste it into your terminal, and okay, there is no update for dependencies. It's showing 0 updates. Now we are moving to second step, where we are going to detect the face. If our system is detecting the face in the camera frame, let's see. For that one, we need this direct this database. For downloading this database, we just have to put this command here. It is downloading from this GitHub repository, and for that one we have to exit this root user. We just type in exit and hit enter, and you can see we are using our user library, and just we have to paste here and hit enter. Now this database is downloaded on our system. Now we have to create a Python program to detect the face. For that, we have to create one file. We name this file as you can see face -detect.py and nano. This nano means it is like a notepad on your Windows. This nano is a text editor for your Linux or Debian systems. Just hit enter, and you can see this file is created, and we are now in nano editor. We just have to put our program here. We already write this program. We just have to copy and paste this program in your nano editor. Just copy and paste, and for save this file we have to press Ctrl X, press Y and hit enter. Now your file is saved here. Now we can test this file. For run this file, we just have to run this command python 3 detect face, and you can see it's working fine, and you can see it's showing person and making the box around my face. You can see here. So our this script is working perfectly fine. So now we are moving to next part, where we are detecting actual name of that person. So for exit this one, we have to press Q. Now we firstly have to create a database folder. To make this folder, we just paste this command here and hit enter. So saying this database set is already existing in my directory. I already created that one. Secondly, we have to create a data set. What is a data set? Means we have to train our model on data set. So we need our here we are detecting the person. So we have to database which have our photos. On that we can train our model. This is the person's name. We can attach that person name with that database, means our photo. In our case is our photos. So we have to write a script here. The script is already here. You just copy and paste this code there. What this code is going to do, it is going to capture 13 photos of yourself and put in that directory, or anyone's photo you have to want to uh, train your model. For saving this, just press Ctrl X, hit Y and enter. Okay, now we have to run the script. So it's for Python 3.0.1 create a database, this file name, and just hit enter. Sorry, this is Python 3. Python 3, paste, hit enter. Now is asking for the user ID. Just you have to put first user and hit enter. And now you can see your camera is open, and you have to look in your camera up till it takes the 13 photos. Now you can see it already take the 13 photos and saved in our database library. So now we have to train this model. For training this model, we did some libraries which can train this model on our photos. For that we have to go in our root directory. For that you have to just put su space hyphen and hit enter. It asking for the password. Put your password and hit enter. Now you can see we are in root directory, and we just have to uh, install this training tool. Copy and paste here. This command will install this NumPy for mathematics and PLW for the training. Hit enter. So it is saying already installed because I already installed this one. Now we have to just exit this one and hit enter. Now we have to create a script for that one to ask for training. Just hit enter, and we are creating this file which called as 02 hyphen train hyphen model.py, and this nano is our editor. Just hit enter. We are now in nano editor. Now we just have to copy and paste this code here. Copy this code and paste it here, and we have to save it. So press Ctrl X, hit Y and enter. Now we can see is our, now we have to train this model. So for that we have to run the script. For that we just have to paste this Python 3 and file name of our file where we have saved this model training code. Just hit enter, and you can see one face is trained and exiting program. So our face is trained, this model is trained to detect my face, and I have given the name for this face is Mahesh. So now you can see for this script for detecting these faces, we have to create another one script for recognizing the face. I have given the name, it's recognize.py. Hit enter, and I already pasted its code here. You can change your name here, what name you want to for that face, and just hit Ctrl X and Y and enter. Now we just run this script. For that we have to just write Python 3 and our script name. Copy and just we are going to paste, and you can see it's clearly says my name, and it's matching around 50-60%, and you can see it is capturing my face. Like I'm moving also, it capturing my face and saying it is my name is here. So you can train your model on other faces also. For exiting this, you just have to press Q. So you can add another face and train your model. So if you two persons in a frame, you can this program can detect that two persons. So on this channel we are now going to put such a videos where you can learn about home automation, you can learn about these Linux systems, some AI and ML programs. So please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the channel.